Today I'll be demonstrating the Skype software tool for communication collaboration. So what is Skype? It's one of the most popular voice communication services in the world. It's a piece of software that you place on your computer and integrates voice, video, and messaging into one application and allows for communication between individuals and groups. Once you have Skype set up on your PC, there's three key areas, features that will be enabled. One is around calling, second is around video, third is around messaging. First, calling. Once your PC is set up, you can do Skype to Skype calls as well as conference calls. Around video, you can do video calling, group video calling, as well as screen sharing. Screen sharing can only be done amongst two people. And then finally messaging, where you can instant message one another as well as send files. So what do you need to use Skype? First of all, you need a computer with decent processing power and basics like keyboard and mouse. You need a good internet connection, preferably broadband. You need sound. You need speakers, a microphone. The Skype software can be downloaded from www.skype.com, and you need an open account. And one or more persons you can communicate with. So other people that you want to communicate with also need to go to the Skype site and open an account for themselves. I'm going to now demonstrate using Skype and its features for communication and collaboration. What you see on your screen right now is the Skype homepage. You'll see the top nav. Most importantly, on the left-hand nav are my contacts that I've created that are on Skype. And you'll see the same contacts with pictures on the top. And the body or the middle of the page is where other options will show up once we start choosing people. One important thing to remember, if you look on the top, this is my status. If you hit up the drop down, you have a way to communicate to others if you're online, away, not to disturb. So easy way for other people on Skype to understand if you're online or not or what your status might be. On the left hand nav and on the top are the contacts that you've already created. So in order to create a contact, you can hit the add a contact button. A pop-up window will appear, and within the pop-up window you can actually enter the person's email, or if they have a Skype name or a full name, and if you hit the add button, that contact will show up on your left nav. Now if you want to create a group, let's say you wanted two or more of these people in one group, you can create a group and then drag those individuals into your group and save it. And what you'll have on the left nav is, instead of an individual, you'll have groups that you can contact with one click instead of having to choose multiples. The other important feature here is if you want to contact, in this case Ami is part of my class and she's going to be helping with the demonstration. If I wanted to call Ami, I can choose a contact, and it allows me different options to contact her via video call, via Skype to Skype call. You can call her mobile, also send an SMS message. Now if you notice, if I click on her contact, a couple of things show up: the status of that she's offline, also what time it is, and on the bottom left hand or bottom middle section of the screen I can also send her an SMS message. So multiple ways to contact her. With the help of Ami, I'm going to show you four key features. One, I'm going to call her directly via a Skype line where you can just hear her voice. Next, we'll do a video calling where we can actually see her through her webcam. Third, I'm going to show you that we can instant message her. And also, we're going to ask that she shares your screen. So these tools would be valuable when your teams are working together to communicate and collaborate on projects. I'm going to now demonstrate Skype, three areas: doing a call, instant messaging, video calling, and screen sharing. And Ami, who's on our team, is going to help us with this demonstration. You can see from the screen there's Ami, who's going to be helping us, and I am send her an SMS text message that I'm about to call her, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the call, and I'm going to choose call, regular call, and you can see the call is going through now. And there's Ami. You can see her on the screen, her picture, and say hello, Ami.
Hello, Manoj.
Okay, great. And so at this point we've made a Skype to Skype call on Skype. Okay, so I'm going to ask Ami now to share her desktop. So go ahead, Ami. And now you can see that we can visually see her desktop on our area, so we can easily communicate and collaborate via desktop sharing option. So now we will demonstrate how to turn on the video so that we can actually do a video to video call, and there it is right there. There you go. Hi, Ami. Thank you for doing that. So in this scenario we can do a regular call, we can do screen sharing, we can do instant messaging, as well as video calling. Actually, to summarize, Skype is a great tool to have individuals work with other individuals and groups to work on projects. The features of being able to call PC to PC, video calling, desktop sharing are key attributes that help in group communication and collaboration.